Good morning, Lincoln staff and students, and happy Friday. Today is May 1st, 2020, and it's our first day of May. Today we are also celebrating our second virtual Lion Assembly. I am so excited to congratulate all of those students who have been showing their personal best during distance learning. Parents, family, and friends, thank you for your support. It is because of you that these students are successful. And like always, I will go into Spanish. Buenos días, padres. Hoy celebramos un día muy especial. Estamos celebrando a sus estudiantes por trabajar muy duro durante este tiempo que la escuela ha estado cerrada. Estamos celebrando a los estudiantes que están enseñando su mejor y es por usted que ellos están haciendo muy bien. Today, we want to thank everyone who is in your house. So get up quickly, call them over to the laptop, the tablet, the cell phone, the computer. I'll wait a moment. And on the count of 3, we're gonna let them know that they rock. On the count of 3, I want you to say you rock. 1, 2, 3. You rock. Now let's get ready for our assembly. In Mrs. Snodgrass's class, Damian Chacon and Sammy Hernandez. In Mr. Caceres' classroom, Calypsa Ayon and Ethan Gonzalez. In Mrs. Shipley's class, Eli Salinas and Kaylee Cortez. In Mr. McKenzie's class, Emma Leathers and Fabian Quintero Zurita. In Mrs. Munger's 4th grade class, Hannah Clark and Austin Munger. In Mrs. Bentley's class, Kimberly Orozco Limas and Grace Madrigal. In Mrs. Huddleston's class, Jonathan Ortiz and Junior Moreno. In Mrs. Pascal's class, Cassandra McMay and Mia Rice. In Mr. Pettyjohn's class, Ryu Lockridge and Taylor Brandt. In Mrs. Munger's 5th grade class, Joanna Fernandez and Alejandro Gomez. Congratulations to our April recipients. We are so proud of you. Lincoln Lions, we are so proud of you as well, even if you weren't an April recipient. Continue to work hard, stay safe, and take care of your family.